Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this lesson I am going to explain what is doji candlestick pattern, how we can identify this candlestick pattern, how we can spot this candlestick pattern, and how this pattern will help us in the trend reversal. Okay, so let's start. Friends, doji candlestick pattern looks like this. It is classical doji. This is like a dragonfly doji named on the basis of an insect, and this is like gravestone doji. So this is classical doji. Its interpretation is that it has no body. Basically, it shows us a strong tug of war between buyers and sellers, and tug of war is so strong that they have pushed the open and close to such an close to each other that body is not present. So it is a single candlestick pattern. It has no body and long shadows. You can see here it has no body and long shadows. So basically what it means that preceding trend or current trend is going to be end. Whatever trend we have right now, that trend is going to be end. Okay, so basically, for example, we have downward trend and market was falling. So if we gonna find such type of candlestick pattern, it means that bulls have not allowed the sellers to push the market further downward to make a sell candle. Bulls have not allowed the sellers to push the market to further downward direction and make another sell candle. And if we gonna find such type of candlestick pattern on the upper end or where market is making a new high, then it also means that sellers have not allowed the buyers to make another high candle, bullish candle, and to pull the market in further forward bullish direction. So current trend will be changed after this candlestick pattern. Its interpretation is simple. Current trend is going to be end now, and it will work in either direction, both for bearish or bullish direction, and it is showing us a strong tug of war between buyers and sellers. And always remember, we will trade with proper stop loss and minimum 1:1 risk to reward ratio. This is GBP JPY H4 chart. You can see market was earlier in a strong bullish trend, and right after that doji, it has very small body, long shadows, and trend was changed. Market has came down. Okay, first bullish trend, right after the formation of doji we got a trend reversal and market came down up to a huge level, downward movement. Okay, all right. So we have another example of doji candlestick pattern. This is Euro JPY H4 time frame. You can see right now market was falling and there was a huge trend, huge downward trend on this pair. So you can see we got a doji here, okay, with very no body or little body, with very small body or no body, and right after that doji you can see market has gone upward up to a huge level. So in this case, this lowest point would be our stop loss of doji, and we will adjust our take profit with 1:1 or 1/2 ratio. 1:1 or 1:T ratio. Earlier bears were in control. After the doji, bulls came back into game. Sellers were trying to exit from the market. They have taken out their profits and they are gone from the market. So you can see, and they are gone from the market. So after the doji you can see market went up to a huge level and we got a trend reversal. Okay, all right, I have another example of doji candlestick pattern right here. It is Euro CAD H1 chart. You can see market was falling and we have a strong downward trend. Right here we got a doji candlestick pattern, a strong tug of war between buyers and sellers. After the doji, market went up. You can see it right now. So here in this case we will take buy entry from this level. This lowest point will be our stop loss, and we will adjust our take profit ratio with 1:1 or 1/2 ratio. So here in this case I will suggest you to adjust your take profit with 1:2 ratio minimum, because it's very important candlestick pattern and effective candlestick pattern. Earlier sell trend, a downward sell movement, downtrend, strong downtrend, and right after the doji market went up. So this was the explanation of doji candlestick pattern, how to trade on this pattern. Okay, thank you.